They say patience is a virtue, and I have to say, for me personally, I wanted a unique coffee table. And let me tell you, I had patience. I waited 3 years for this beautiful table, and it just actually came to me by accident. My son was at a client's home, and they were getting rid of this antique door, and he took it and he brought it over one day and he said, "I don't know if you can use this, Mom, but I really love it." And I thought you would too. When I looked at it, we both looked at each other and went, "Oh my gosh, put some really cool hairpin legs on it." And it's my coffee table. So that's really what happened. After he brought it over, I think it took us 10 minutes to put the legs on, and we carried into my living room, and it looks fabulous and I love it. So patience does pay off. And I have to tell you a quick story. You'll notice here that there's a key. I bought that key about 3 years ago at HomeSense. I don't know why, I just bought it. And as soon as I saw this door, I ran to get the key and it fit. So there's decorating serendipity. And I just wanted to share this little story with you to show you that patience does take time and it does pay off. And I am so thrilled with my coffee table.